A new at 5 tonight, Governor Ned Lamont giving Connecticut law enforcement new tools to solve crimes.
Police departments now have expanded access to national forensic gun data that state leaders hope will hold more shooters accountable.
Fox 61's Bridget Burlow joining us live in studio now with more on the computer network. So Bridget, tell us how it works.
Brent, Sarah, experts say it allows police departments to share ballistic evidence in real time. And now agencies have direct access to the system that collects and stores national data, which could help catch shooters faster.
Let me be clear. We are organized and we are coming after shooters.
Connecticut leaders say it's a smarter way of fighting crime by giving police departments expanded access to a national forensic gun database and helping link one violent incident to another.
We have done this utilizing NIBIN, which is the National Integrated Ballistic Information Network, which provides a correlation. And what that correlation does is it links firearms to actual crime scenes and crime scenes to other crime scenes that were unrelated or unknown previously.
The technology also helps law enforcement agencies work together by sharing key evidence.
NIBIN has really helped us with is one, identifying commonalities between cases, two, identifying patterns, and three, establishing very strong leads.
And already this summer, police say direct use of the computer network proved to be an effective tool for investigators in New Haven.
You know, last week we had a rash of violence, several people shot in the city, and within a 24-hour window we were able to say, you know, at least 2 cases are connected through ballistics within the city and connected to a case outside of the city.
The goal being to speed up the investigation process and get violent criminals off the street before another shooting occurs.
So what that does for the investigators are they're able to have conversations with their victims who are cooperative and ask the question, you know, there was a shooting on the other side of town. You know anything about it? And probably if NIBIN wasn't in play, they wouldn't have asked that question.
Right now, there are more than 5.7 million pieces of ballistic evidence currently stored in the database. And in the last 25 years, investigators have used it to generate more than 640,000 leads.
So you use a gun in a crime in Connecticut, it's a lot more likely we're going to catch you, hold you accountable, and you'll pay the price.
And that's what it's all about, holding people accountable. Before this, police departments had to go through the state to process evidence into the system. Direct access is expected to save time and bring forth new leads for investigators. Sarah?